In today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how I paint a large acrylic pour painting. My name's Michelle Tracy, and the materials I'm using is Floetrol, acrylic paint and some water. And here you'll just see me layering the paint into a 3-litre jug. I've mixed the paint in those sauce bottles with a 2:1 ratio of Floetrol to paint. So 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint and a bit of water in each. And it was important that I layer them by pouring them down the side of the jug. Otherwise they'll just mix. If you pour them in the center, it'll be too heavy. As I'm pouring, I'm using tiny circular motions to get that ring pour technique. The colors are Turquoise Light, Pthalo Turquoise, Titanium White and Metallic Copper. It's on a 30 by 60 inch canvas, so it's quite long. It looks short on here, but I assure you it's much longer. And I realised at this point that I probably didn't use quite enough paint, so I'm struggling to stretch it out without losing too much of the beautiful design and composition. But in this instance, you've just got to trust your instincts. You don't have time to really use your head. It's all instinct. It's all going by your intuition and just making the most of the situation and coming up with something pretty beautiful in the end. Oh, this little edge bit I didn't want to play. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions or anything else. Thank you so much for watching.